Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to start a new poem, The Quarrel. This poem is written by Eleanor Fargion. So first I'll tell you the summary of this poem. So generally what happened, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other, and it is very common situation. Many times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrel begins over a very small issue, but gradually it becomes serious. So in this poem, the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began and ended. They quarrel each other without any reason. So the poet says that once he quarreled with his brother over something he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. So one thing was giving way to another. So there is a line in your poem, one thing led to another. It means if you do any goodness, it would lead you towards goodness, and if you do any bad work, any bad deed, it would lead you towards badness. So the poet says, while fighting, the poet himself and his brother fell down, and initially it was a small and petty issue, but gradually it became a serious matter. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart he knew that he was wrong. Both of them didn't like another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back and asked him to come alone, as it is not possible or right to longer the issue throughout the night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side, so he was actually right. It shows his generosity. So this is the summary of this poem. Now we will start the poem. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, and the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. There is a word in your poem, slight. It means small or modest, not serious. In this stanza, the poet discussed one of his fight with his brother. So he said, once I had fight with my brother, and myself and my brother, both of us were fighting and were not even aware of the causes and the reason of the fight. It means they both don't know what is the matter and what is the reason for what they are fighting. So the fight was happening because of the series of things. One thing was giving way to another. It means, as I told you in the summary, if you do any good deed, it will lead you towards goodness, and if you do any bad deeds, it will lead you towards badness. So while fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. Now come to the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. He said, "Oh, come alone. You can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so you was in the right." So in this stanza there is a word thumb. Thumb means hit. And second word, turn black. Turn black means to become unpleasant. So what happened? The poet and his brother were claiming that they are on the right side. So they started hating each other because of their fight. And in the afternoon, the fight became very serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. Then all of a sudden, the poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get alone, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter and quarrel throughout the night. And also he declared humbly that he was wrong, which he proved generosity. It means he says to his brother, okay, this is my mistake, you are right, I am wrong, but now stop fighting each other. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. So this is your poem. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.